Let the world know you're a failure.
I know where it's at too. It's set on my fucking desk.
This is what happens when you forget to put a memory card in. No launch.
There's a lot more snow than we anticipated. And this will be our first snow camping trip. So what we learned tonight will be valuable in the future, but it could be a hard night. It could be an easy night. I don't know what to expect. I know the basics enough. So, wish us luck. The windscreen on. 28 degrees, sun's rising. Mitchell's shoes are wet, so he has to wait for them to dry. So he has to wait for this sun to come over the peak for the rays to hit his shoes. If his shoes don't dry, we gotta get out of here today. Risking frostbite and such, but this place is amazing. Secluded. I think I heard one person over there. We're still a mile from No Name Lake, which I would love to go to, but if we don't, then you know it is what it is. So we're just capturing some shots, get some drone footage up, and then we'll see where the day takes us. Maybe we're thinking about hitting another spot in Oregon. There's some famous waterfalls here, some good hikes as well. I guess this is the #1 hike, so I'm glad we got to hit this. Our first experience in the snow, successful. A little chilly at night, but nothing unbearable. Could we use better gear? Of course. Could Mitchell use better shoes?